Hello viewers, welcome to your channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan and in this session we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic from the subject social and preventive pharmacy. That is about the nutritional deficiencies. This topic has been taken from module 1. So if you have still not subscribed to my channel Pharmacypedia, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates about the pharmacy contents as well as about details about the social and preventive pharmacy. So without wasting the time, let us begin. So let us first try to understand why is nutrition important, what is the definition of nutrition, nutrients and deficiencies. So what is nutrition? Basically the process of eating the right kind of the food so that you can grow up properly and be healthy. So as you grow up, you need required proportions of the diet and you need to have the balanced diet so that you get the right nutrition and you can grow properly and be healthy. Next about the nutrients. So nutrients refers to any food or other substances which is able to provide you energy or the building material for the survival, normal metabolism and growth of a living organisms. So nutrients is the substance from whereby you derive the energy. Deficiency. The inadequate uptake of anything is called deficiency. So if you are not taking any of the nutrient properly, it will result into deficiency. Now let us try to understand what are the different causes of the nutritional deficiencies. So if you have the inadequate uptake of the diet or a specific nutrient or the vitamin, you may develop nutritional deficiency. Or if you have excess of a specific nutrient more as compared to others, or you have the malabsorption, whatever you are eating, it is under nutrition. So talking about the different kinds of the deficiencies, basically deficiencies are being categorized into these four categories. First is the mineral deficiency, vitamin deficiency, protein deficiency, and lipid deficiency. So I have shared another video whereby you can find the details about the vitamin deficiency. And apart from that, other major mineral deficiencies include the deficiencies disorders, and they have varied symptoms, and there are possible treatments available as well. Now let us first try to figure out about the calcium deficiency. So calcium deficiency results into weak bones, brittle bones, and it results into rickets. So it is the cause of osteomalacia in adults, osteoporosis, and it even causes the muscular disorders like tetany or any other skin disorders like tanning of the skin. So it ultimately results into the bone disease, abnormal bone shape, bone pain, and bowed legs. So even the muscle cramps and tremors are being observed due to calcium weakness. So this is the condition which arises in case of calcium deficiency. So it can be improved by increasing the uptake of the calcium rich diet, calcium supplementation, vitamin D supplementation, and sunbath. Next comes the phosphorus deficiency. So phosphorus deficiency results into again rickets, osteoporosis, osteomalacia, and it also includes the symptoms like bowed legs, soft bones, bone pain, etc. The treatment includes the use of milk products, increased egg yolk, legumes, nuts, and whole grains. It also requires phosphorus supplementation to have a beneficial effect. Next, talking about the iron deficiency. So all of you are aware that iron deficiency results into anemia. Apart from that, it is also responsible for the colon cancer, fatigue, overmenstruation in females. So like symptoms include feeling weak and tiring out easily or feeling dizzy, be grumpy or cranky, have headaches, looks very pale, feel shortness of breath and have trouble concentrating. So the treatment includes the use of iron-rich food, iron supplementation. This is about the iodine deficiency, which results into goiter, and the symptoms include the overgrowth or the regression of the thyroid gland. And the treatment includes the more incorporation of the iodized salt, seafood, milk, and enhanced milk products. This is the table whereby you can see the different common mineral and their deficiency disorder and how you can have improvement, how you can treat these deficiencies disorders. We have already discussed about the calcium, iron, iodine, zinc, even magnesium, potassium, chromium, and sodium have impact, and they may result into deficiency disorders if not being taken care of properly. So by having these diet in including these substances, these nutrients in your diet, you can improve and work upon your deficiency. Now talking about the vitamins deficiency, vitamin A deficiency, it results in the night blindness, and it has a lot of impact on your eyes. So it can even cause the reduced hair growth or loss of appetite, low resistance to infection. So the treatment includes supplementation with the vitamin A components and use of products like milk, butter, eggs, chicken, kidneys, and liver, fresh oil, etc. Then talking about the vitamin B deficiency, it results into beriberi. So it causes other problems like anxiety, visual problems, anemia, mouth sores, nerve damage, etc. And the treatment includes the use of figs, dairy products, dates, and banana. So this is the chart whereby again you can see the deficiency disorders caused by different vitamins and how they can be overcome by taking these sources. I have further discussed vitamin deficiency in detail in my another session video. You can check the playlist of social and preventive pharmacy for that. Then talking about the deficiency disease. So usually fat deficiency disease results into atherosclerosis or cognitive decline or coronary heart disease and chronic inflammation. So you require the fats, but in a limited concentration. Then protein deficiency, all of you are aware that it results into protein deficient disorders like kwashiorkor, marasmus, whereby the person becomes very lean and thin. So these are the different vitamins and the deficiencies caused by them. So one needs to take care of by taking the proper intake of the vitamins and minerals, because both of them results into deficiency disorders, and if not been taken care for prolonged period of the time may result into decline in the health. So one can work upon the health by taking care of that. Your balanced diet should include sufficient amount of the minerals, vitamin, etc. Although I have tried to cover the topic, but what I feel is that it is a very broad topic, and therefore I've tried to summarize it into certain points so that it can help the B.Pharm final year students to work upon in social and preventive pharmacy. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to Pharmacy PDF for getting further updates and informations.